here we are on board the tender. Now, as you know, we don't have a GoPro because I dropped it in the sea, but I do have my phone, so I'm taking this video on my phone. I'm going to be trying to be careful to not have this end up joining the GoPro under the water. Right then, there's not much wind, but let's go and see if we can get some sailing done. Very light breeze now, and we are sailing! Hurrah! In fact, I see on the water it looks as though we might get something that might even resemble a little bit of wind. Should be wonderful. Looks like we might have found a little cave down here. This is as far as we're going in this direction. Oh look, there's one of those little buses. They're like a normal bus but shorter, quite cute. For the winding roads, I suppose they're quite useful. I just love the sound of those crickets. I guess if there are any other sounds other than the noises of sailing, even at about a quarter of a knot, that are relaxing, I guess cricket sounds have to be one of them. Ahoy there! This is the equivalent of multitasking for me. I'm trying to control the sail. I've got my foot on the tiller and I've got my hand on the camera. I'm also speaking, so actually, wow. Well done, Chris. Well, we've just been over there to near the entrance of Portofino. I was tempted to go around the corner having a look at it. However, Rosella said a while back that she was putting the food on, and although it seems like about 2 minutes ago to me in my little time warp here, I'm sure that was at least 20 minutes ago, so I better get back, otherwise I'll be in trouble. As predicted, I just saw Rosella pop her head out of the boat there and start waving at me and making hand gestures for food time, so yeah, I'm either going to sail over there or no, I might as well sail. I'm considering rowing, but to be honest there's not much difference in time, so I'm just going to sail back. Final update here on the tender. Probably you were screaming this at the screen to me, but I've just let out the outhaul and just putting the tender away, but as I do that, just wanted to show you the water here. Look at the bottom of the keel there. It's 1.7 meters down. Crystal clear.